Y'all gave this man and his girlfriend a career off of being homeless, and let me tell you guys why he's not going to stop. So this guy Fullest and his girlfriend Miss Bunny have literally created an entire platform off of them being homeless. And their entire platform is just them documenting day to day what it's like to be homeless. And the only difference with them is that they're homeless by choice because this is a niche to them and they want to use this homeless stick to try to gain followers and get money from social media. And if y'all remember them too, it's probably because y'all remember this video right here where they were living in a storage unit and got kicked out. And it's working for them because bro has almost amassed over 300K on TikTok and over 100K subscribers on YouTube. And every time I go to the comments on his page, I see people telling him to get a job and all this other stuff. But let me show y'all why he's not going to get a job and why y'all watching his content is actually helping him do all this stuff. Now here's a screenshot from one of my TikTok creator beta videos. You see right here, I got 1.5 million qualified views and it paid me about $1,400. Bro is averaging over 300K per post with multiple videos hitting over 1 million views. So I know just from TikTok alone, he's making at least 2 to 3 bands. Put that in with his YouTube views, he's probably making about 1 or 2K from that. Plus, bro go live like every 15 minutes, and I've seen y'all people send him galaxies for absolutely no reason. So bro making about 3 to 4 bands a month just off this. Now I don't know that for sure, but I'm just going based off of what I know about TikTok and YouTube analytics and how their pay works. And no, I'm not defending them. I'm just saying that people create these characters or personas for internet and then rage bait y'all into making them famous like this. And y'all fall for it every single time. But yeah, no hate to do. He doing something right. Shit, he got more followers than me. And make sure y'all follow me for more videos like this.